Clearly audible? ठीक है. Visible? Can you see me? Tell
Yes,
me what
sir.
I'm doing.
One reading the hand.
Very good. Correct. Now you will not be able to see anyone. Okay. Vidhi, mic on, video on, बेटा. Vidhi, आशुतोष.
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
जिसका माइक और वीडियो ऑफ होगा वो जाएगा सीधा क्लास के बाहर. ठीक है. इट इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट
Okay, sir.
इंस्ट्रक्शन. जियान हैंड डाउन कर दे बेटा. आशुतोष, दोज हु आर ज्वाइनिंग न्यू.
Sir.
आशुतोष अनम्यूट करो. और सीधा वो वेटिंग रूम में चला जाएगा. दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू अटेंड द क्लास. ठीक है. एंड
Sir.
दे विल नॉट गेट द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑल्सो. बेटा आशुतोष नहीं चलेगा. यू हैव टू कीप द वीडियो ऑन ऑल द टाइम. वीडियो ऑन एंड माइक ऑन. आशुतोष, can you hear me? Is it visible? Are you audible? Am I audible? You are not audible. Are you speaking something? Ashutosh, say yes. Ashutosh, I don't have time to waste. Ashutosh, beta, clearly say yes or no. Are you there or no? I'll put you in the waiting room otherwise. Ashutosh, I don't want any young people to join. Ashutosh, can you hear me? I can't hear you. Ashutosh, put it on chat.
పోతే రియాక్షన్స్ ఇది ఉంది కదా ఎద్దా క్లిక్ చేసినాక ఈ హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయొచ్చు థమ్స్ అప్ చేయొచ్చు ఇది హ్యాండ్
There is parent who is father is speaking, please. Ashutosh, your mic is also not there. Ashutosh joined from different device.
Yeah.
Chalo, no problem. Okay, now tell me why you joined today?
For revision. For
Huh?
revision of trial.
Factors and multiples.
Multiples. Multiples, sir. Factors and multiples. LCM and HCM.
एक मिनट.
आज आप लोगों को multiples पढ़ा. HCM and LCM. Only example.
चलो.
अरे वो तीखा लगता है मत करो तीखा लगता है.
So you joined for what?
Very
Very good. I also joined for the same. I also joined for learning factors and multiples. कौन सिखाएगा? Who will teach me? Who will teach me? कोई नहीं. चलो. So let's learn together. हाँ? मेरे को भी नहीं आता, तुम लोगों को भी नहीं आता है. ठीक है?
सर मेरे को आता है.
किसको आता है?
मेरे ही आता है.
नाम बताओ. नाम मेरे को क्या? सारे मैं है. मैं भी मैं हूँ. हाँ?
आर्यन.
आर्यन. वेरी गुड. और
कियांश.
जी हाँ, कियांश. वेरी गुड. चलो बताओ. व्हाट इज फैक्टर एंड व्हाट इज मल्टीपल?
When a number divides another
एक
number
एक
exactly.
बहुत ज्यादा आवाज नहीं बेटा. सारे जन को चांस मिलेगा. डोंट वरी. ठीक है. एवरीबडी विल गेट चांस एंड आई वांट एवरीबडी टू पार्टिसिपेट बट नॉट chaos. राइट? वन बाय वन. चलो आर्यन.
When a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor of the dividend.
Okay. It is called as a factor. Exactly. What repeat one more time.
When a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor of the dividend.
Very good. What do you mean exactly divide?
Remainder should be 0.
Very good. Correct. So what do you mean when I say divisible? What does it mean? What does it mean? Hi, Dikshita. Welcome. Dikshita, what is your name?
My name is Dikshita and my daughter name is Pahel जी.
पहल. हाँ, वेरी गुड. आपने पहले भी ज्वाइन किया था?
हाँ, लास्ट ईयर ज्वाइन किया था.
हाँ, तो आपका ये नहीं आया था. पहल ना?
पहल.
पहल. ठीक है, तेरा नाम चेंज कर देना, तो मैं दीक्षित दीक्षिता बुलाता रहूँ. ठीक है, अब ठीक है, स्पेलिंग ठीक है बेटा तेरा? पहल. पहल, कैन यू हियर मी? पहल,
Yes.
बोलने की पहल कर. पहल का मतलब मालूम है? व्हाट डू यू मीन पहल? पहल का नाम ही नहीं, पहले में मतलब नहीं मालूम है तेरे को?
Yes, she knows the meaning.
नहीं मालूम. आपने नाम तो दे दिया, आपने मीनिंग नहीं बताया उसका.
उसको पता है कि feeling shy to speak.
अरे नहीं नहीं बेटा, अपने अपने क्लास में शाय नहीं होना चाहिए. पहल का मतलब होता है इनिशिएशन, राइट? इनिशिएट करो कुछ, है ना? बराबर है मम्मी? नाम ठीक है? मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
नहीं नहीं बरोबर है, इसीलिए उसका नाम स्टार्ट. हर चीज
ओह,
को
बोलना इनिशिएट नहीं कर रही है. ठीक है, चलो एनीवेज. ठीक है, तो फैक्टर इज समथिंग विच इज a number perfectly divisible by the another number which is called as a factor of a number. For example, if I say 10 divided by 5, 10 is divisible by 5, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. 12 is divisible by 5. It is, you can divide, but there will be a remainder, right? Remainder will be non-zero number, so it is not divisible, right? When I say divide, can divide, इसका मतलब होता है perfect divisible होना चाहिए. Perfect divisible is 0 होना चाहिए, correct? Remainder, clear? Okay. Now, what is multiple?
Sir, the table.
टेबल कौन सा? ये राइटिंग टेबल या डाइनिंग टेबल? अरे 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 अरे, केओस केओस मत करो, केओस मत करो, केओस मत करो. हाथ ऊपर करो जिसको आंसर करना है. रीवा, ऐसे नहीं, सिस्टम में कर डार्लिंग, सिस्टम में कर. आर्यन, तेरा एक चांस आ गया, तेरे को अभी चांस नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, मिश्का, टेल मी.
A multiple is a multiple. A
हाँ, yes,
multiple is basically a
बराबर बोल रही, बराबर बोल, बिंदास बोल.
multiple is a product of a sum.
प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम. दोनों प्रोडक्ट और सम दोनों कैसे आएगा?
What?
प्रोडक्ट और सम दोनों क्या आएगा? व्हाट डू मीन बाय प्रोडक्ट?
Product is another word for answer in maths.
हाँ, अनदर नेम फॉर
Answer.
नहीं. गलत जवाब. कियांश, व्हाट इज प्रोडक्ट?
Product.
हाँ,
Sir, please.
एक मिनट, मिश्का, वेट वेट वेट. हाँ, मिश्का बोल.
Product is the answer of the multiplication which we do.
Correct. Product is a multiplication, not the sum, right? What is sum then? Adya?
Sir, sum is the answer obtained in addition.
Very good. Correct. Niva, what is difference?
Difference is the answer for subtraction.
Very good. Okay. Now what? Adya Raichura. Tell me what is the when you divide answer, what do you get? What is it called?
Quotient.
Quotient. Very good. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ गया? So what is sum? What is difference? What is product? And what is quotient? Right?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Now the number has to be, to become a factor, the number has to be perfectly divisible, right? So divisor. Everybody knows what is divisor, what is dividend, what is quotient, what is remainder.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good, batch. Anybody who don't know this, they can tell me. Anybody who don't know this, the divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Everybody knows? So thumbs up दो. Give me thumbs up. ठीक है. Emojis use करो फटाफट. ठीक है. Very good. शाबाश. आद्या. Very good. Very good.
Yes,
चलो,
sir.
ठीक है. अरे 3 आद्या है बेटा आज। तेरे को मैं बोलूंगा आद्या देसाई, दूसरे को बोलूंगा आद्या रायचुरा, और दूसरी आद्या या। ठीक है। ठीक है, सो जिसकी आद्या को बोलूं, 3 आद्या हो गई, डिफरेंट डिफिकल्ट है मेरे लिए, राइट। चलो, एक को रायचुरा बोलूंगा, एक को देसाई बोलूंगा, एक को आद्या बोलूंगा। ठीक है, आद्या बोलूं तो उसका मतलब है आद्या या है, राइट, है ना। ठीक है, चलो तो हो गया। व्हाट इज मल्टीपल देन? व्हाट इज अ मल्टीपल?
Sir.
वेरी गुड, रीवा बोल।
The product of a number and a counting number is called the multiple of that number.
वेरी गुड। देखो, ऐसा बिल्कुल बुक से पढ़ के बोल रही है कि ये ऐसा 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 है। बुक से क्यों पढ़ना है? पहले प्रिपेयर करके आइए, नोट बनाया है तूने?
नहीं सर।
तो फिर अपना बुक ओपन रखा है, वेरी गुड। बुक्स होता ही पढ़ने के लिए है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। बुक में देखने बोलो मेरे को, आई एम ओके विथ इट प्रोवाइडेड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, राइट। अब उसने क्या बोला, वापस रिपीट कर। वेरी गुड, रिपीट कर बेटा। आद्या, नीवा, रीवा। ओके, एवरीबडी लिसन व्हाट शी इज सेइंग।
The
Yeah.
product of a number and a counting number is called the multiple of that number.
करेक्ट। नाउ काउंटिंग नंबर का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन काउंटिंग नंबर?
Counting means the table.
कौन सा? वापस टेबल आ गया? कौन सा टेबल?
Any table.
राइटिंग टेबल चलेगा?
Yes, sir. Multiplication
डाइनिंग
वाला
टेबल
table.
चलेगा? रीडिंग टेबल चलेगा?
Multiplication
Multiplication वाला table.
हाँ,
Multiplication table.
मल्टीप्लीकेशन में कहाँ टेबल चेयर कहाँ लेके आ गई? मैथमेटिक्स में कहाँ कारपेंटरी ला रही है?
The table of the specific number.
ओके, ठीक है, तो टेबल नहीं बोलते, काउंटिंग नंबर। मैंने पूछा व्हाट इज काउंटिंग नंबर?
Repeated.
Count 1, 2, 3. Ahead of that, like
अहेड ऑफ दिस कितना आगे?
no, till we can tell till thousands or
बस।
Infinite. Infinite.
no infinite.
Infinite.
Anything we can say
करेक्ट।
number.
तो
Infinite.
व्हाट इज द काउंटिंग नंबर? इट इज कॉल्ड एज नेचुरल नंबर। क्या है बेटा? Natural number. It is called as natural number, which is start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes on for infinite. That is called as natural number. And all the factors multiple can have only natural number. कभी negative number सुना है? Negative number भी होता है। Fraction सुना है? Fraction?
हाँ, sir.
हाँ।
I'm done with that.
Fraction क्या होता है?
Fraction is the
Part of a whole.
some
Very good.
pieces of a whole are called fraction.
Very good. तो जहाँ पे fraction होता है वहां पे factors and multiples नहीं होता है, right?
Sir.
अच्छा, everybody is comfortable with English and Hindi both?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Marathi also. Sir, why do you keep on raising your hand?
No, if I keep it now, it takes the gesture that I want to ask some question. System does not know that I am a teacher, right? He says that I am a student. So when I say like this, he'll keep on raise my hand. देखो हो गया, right? देखो मेरा हाथ यहाँ पर है, ठीक है? My both hands are here, right? See, it will automatically raise my hand. देखो, हैं, देखा? फिर ठीक है। अगर मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, देखो ऐसे मैं करता हूँ, it will understand, वो thumbs up करेगा। देखो आ गया।
Wow, sir.
Science is not coming like that.
अरे बेटा, थोड़ा एडवांस सिस्टम चाहिए। अरे देखो, ऐसे मैं ये करूंगा तो वो मेरा ये दिखाएगा। देखो देखो आ गया।
not coming.
सर ये देखो।
सर आप हाथों से कर रहे हो।
नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये देखो यहाँ पे देख, ये देखो मेरा हाथ भी रेज होएगा, ये देखो।
सर नहीं हो रहा।
होएगा होएगा होएगा, डोंट वरी। सी,
सर नहीं होगा।
हो गया हाथ रेज, देखो ये देखो।
सर तो कोई और कर रहा है।
नहीं यार, मेरा हाथ रेज है ना, देखो मेरे हाथ दोनों यहाँ पर है। अब पैर से तो मेरे कीबोर्ड है।
मेरा भी हो गया।
होगा डार्लिंग, सब कुछ। अभी टेक्नोलॉजी सीखने आए हो? मैं फैक्टर मल्टीपल सीखने आए हो?
सर मेरा नहीं हो रहा।
टेक्नोलॉजी का कभी अलग क्लास लूंगा, ठीक है?
मल्टीपल ना टेक्नोलॉजी।
सर हो गया।
सर मेरा नहीं हो
अरे
रहा।
हेलो, ए विधि नीचे कर। सब लोग ये टाइम पास मत करो, चलो क्लियर।
नहीं, सर नहीं हो रहा।
या कौन जा रहा है वॉशरूम में? कहना ही नहीं, नाम बोलो तो मेरे को समझ में आएगा। पहल बेटा, माइक ऑन रखना है ऑल द टाइम। माइक ऑन रखो, कीप द माइक ऑन।
सर कैन आई गो टू वॉशरूम?
कौन आई? कौन?
यस।
हाँ जाओ जाओ, जल्दी जाके आ जाओ। वीडियो ऑन रख के आओ, वीडियो ऑन रख के जाओ तो फटाफट आओगे तो मेरे को समझ में आएगा। तो लोग वापस आ गए।
सर
ठीक है।
मैं गो टू वॉशरूम।
कौन? मैं आई? कौन? क्या चलो ओके जिसको वॉशरूम जाना है जाके पहल माइक ऑन रख बेटा, पहल माइक ऑन रखना है ऑल द टाइम। हाँ बस हाथ ऊपर करो, नहीं तो हाथ ऐसे लेना पड़ेगा क्लास। यू डू क्लियर क्लास लाइक दिस। पूछो सबको, मेरे ओल्ड स्टूडेंट को, दे हैव टू टेक लाइक ऐसे ऐसे क्लास है। देखो उससे तो ऑन भी कर दिया, मिश्का ने ऑन हाथ भी ऊपर कर दिया। सो फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स आर ऑल काउंटिंग नंबर्स, इट कैन नॉट बी फ्रैक्शन, इट कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव नंबर्स, करेक्ट है? ऑल दो नेगेटिव नंबर्स यू मे नॉट नो, लेकिन यू कैन नॉट हैव अ नेगेटिव नंबर एज factor or multiple, right? So perfect divisible, the number which is divisible. Now, if I divide any number, if I divide 10 by 2, what do you get a quotient? 5. तो फैक्टर कौन सा होता है? 5 होता है या 2 होता है? 5 होता है फैक्टर, 2 नहीं होता है? पक्का? So you mean 2 is not a factor of 10, right?
No.
2 is not a factor of 10.
And the factors.
5 into both, right? When you divide any number, if any number is divisible by any other number, the quotient and divisor both are factor of a given number. और फैक्टर क्या है? फैक्टर ऐसा है, मल्टीपल ऐसा है, करेक्ट है? दोनों ऑपोजिट एक दूसरे के, क्या है? फैक्टर को करोगे, जब फैक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो मल्टीपल मिलेगा, और मल्टीपल को डिवाइड करोगे तो फैक्टर मिलेगा, करेक्ट है? सो व्हेन आई से 25 अरे 10 is divisible by 5, so you get 2 as a quotient. So 2 and 5 both are factor of a number 10, and when 2 and 5 multiply you get a 10. So 10 है वो 2 का भी मल्टीपल है, 5 का भी मल्टीपल है, क्लियर है? ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? वेरी गुड, ठीक है। अब बताओ, टेल मी व्हाट इज फैक्टर में और क्या होता है? व्हाट इज एक्जेक्टली फैक्टर? मेरे को एक नंबर, कैन यू टेल मी वन नंबर विच इज अ फैक्टर ऑल्सो एंड अ मल्टीपल ऑफ अ गिवन नंबर?
Multiple also.
Because see, when you divide factor, what do you get?
24.
24, very good.
72.
72 किसका?
72.
अच्छा सुनो 24 किसका फैक्टर है?
72.
अरे एक सेकंड,
72.
अरे मेरी यार, अरे रुको, नंबर आ गया मेरे पास, शांति रखो, शांति
24
रखो।
is a factor of 48.
वेरी गुड, 48 एंड 72?
72. 36.
36 का क्या है? मैंने बोला नंबर। ओके, नाउ फैक्टर, हाउ डू यू, एक मिनट, हाउ डू यू गेट द फैक्टर? How do you get the factor? By dividing it, correct? And how you get a multiple?
Multiply.
Very good, correct. So let's check. I take one number which is number 20, correct?
Okay.
ठीक है, and I want factor and multiple of number 20, correct? I want one number which is also factor of a 20 and which is multiple of a 20. आ सकता है? पॉसिबल है?
हाँ.
कैसे पॉसिबल? एक डिवाइड करके आ रहा है, एक मल्टीप्लाई करके आ रहा है,
नहीं सर. No.
पॉसिबल नहीं है? नहीं है ना, क्योंकि डिवीजन है, एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, राइट?
नहीं.
श्योर है?
हाँ.
अच्छा, जो तुम लोग जहां जहां रॉन्ग जाओगे ना, तुमको सबको एक एक कैडबरी सिल्क देना पड़ेगा मेरे को, तो सोच समझ के आंसर देना।
I will deliver.
और तुम लोग का आंसर राइट होगा तो क्या?
आपको हमें देना पड़ेगा.
कुछ नहीं, वो मैं क्यों दूं? तुमको सब कुछ आता है, मैं क्यों दूं? हाँ, तो फिर तो तुम 10 आंसर दोगे, मेरे को 10 कैडबरी सिल्क देना पड़ेगा सबको।
सर मेरे को और बुक नहीं मिला. बुक
कौन सा बुक बेटा?
सर तूने बोला था कुछ तो मम्मी का भेज देना और फिर तू देगा वो बुक.
कौन सा बुक नहीं मिला बेटा? मैंने ग्रुप पे डाला बुक, तो किसको नहीं मिला?
लास्ट क्लास का बुक वो दिखाया था, लास्ट क्लास का.
किसको दिखाया था?
सब लोग को वो
अरे
मीटिंग में
कौन बोल रहा है? कविश?
कविश.
तुमने ग्रुप पे भेजा तो बेटा मैंने?
मेरे को नहीं
सॉल्यूशन
मिला।
ग्रुप में पूरा मैंने वीडियो भी भेजा लास्ट क्लास का, और मैंने ये भी भेजा, बुक भी भेजा, पूरा भेजा बुक बेटा मैंने,
मेरे
लिंक
को नहीं
भेजा है।
मिला, बुक नहीं मिला है।
अरे ग्रुप में चेक करो,
तो
जिसको
कौन सी
बुक नहीं
बुक?
मिला सॉल्यूशन ग्रुप में मैसेज डालो, मैं भेजता हूँ, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
अरे एशियन का जो आप लोग क्लास में लेते हो।
मेरे पास हार्ड कॉपी है।
हाँ वेरी गुड, ठीक है, गुड गर्ल, ठीक है। चलो ठीक है, नहीं आ रहा ना किसी को मैसेज, ठीक है। चलो मेरे को अभी बताओ।
कौन सी बुक? सर मेरे को टू वॉशरूम।
यस बेटा, जाओ क्या जाओ। ओके नाउ टेल मी फटाफट कि 20 के फैक्टर क्या क्या हो सकते हैं।
10।
Sir, 1
मेरे को एक मिनट, हाथ ऊपर करो, हाथ ऊपर करो, एंड आई वांट ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 20, ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 20। हाथ ऊपर करो, मैं एक एक करके क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ। आर्यन का तो हाथ ऊपर है, आर्यन तेरे को पूछूंगा नहीं, हाथ नीचे करके बाद में ऊपर करना होता है जब मैं बोलूंगा, नहीं तो तेरे को पूछूंगा ही नहीं। देसाई बोल।
10 2 5 4।
कितनी बार बोलेगी 4?
सिर्फ 4 एक ही बार बोला मैंने।
अभी बोला पहले 5, 4 पहले बोला था।
सर तो फिर वापस बोलो।
बोल।
10 2 5 4 1।
हो गया, वेरी गुड। और किसी को ऐड करना है? केविश बोल बेटा।
सर 1 2 4 5
हो गया, हाँ
10 20।
वेरी गुड, ठीक है। विधि, विधि का खाना खाने आई है, इधर काम करने पढ़ने आई है? बोल विधि।
फिर मैं गो टू वॉशरूम।
हाँ जाओ, ठीक है, चलो। आद्या हैंड डाउन, एक बार हो गया तो हैंड डाउन कर दो, ठीक है ना। यस विधि बोल, फैक्टर्स क्या क्या होता है 20 का फैक्टर्स? नहीं आएगी, चलो निवा यू आंसर।
Sir, actually, I don't understand the multiples and factors.
तो फैक्टर अभी बोला ना, फैक्टर अभी देखो तूने वैसी निवा, रीवा हैज गिवन द डेफिनेशन राइट।
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज फैक्टर? फैक्टर क्या होता है? अ नंबर व्हेन इज डिविजिबल बाय एनी अदर नंबर, ठीक है। व्हेन द नंबर इज डिविजिबल, द परफेक्ट डिविजिबल, आई गिव यू एग्जांपल राइट, 10 is divisible by 2, you get a 5 the quotient, so 2 and 5 both become the factor, correct? 1 minute बेटा, wait, I'm actually, अरे मेरी जान वेट,
10 20.
अरे वेट नहीं, क्या बोल रही है? हेलो, कौन बोल रहा है ये? बेटा आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, कहाँ बीच में बोल रहे हो बेटा? विधि तू बोल रही है? विधि
1 2
कौन बोल रहा है ये? ठीक है, किसी को नहीं बोलना राइट।
Yes.
एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज
Yes,
फैक्टर?
sir.
बेटा नीवा समझ में आ गया बेटा व्हाट इज फैक्टर? वेरी
Yes,
नंबर
sir.
डिविजिबल, तो मैंने पूछा था फैक्टर ऑफ 20, करेक्ट, फैक्टर ऑफ 20। कौन बताएगा अभी? नीवा तू ही बता, चलो। नीवा
5
टेल मी फैक्टर ऑफ 20 क्या क्या होता है?
1 2 4 फिर 10 फिर 10 20 का पूछ
बीच में कोई नहीं बोलेगा। देखो ये गड़बड़ हो रही राइट, दिस इज गड़बड़ हो रही ना, कोई भूल जा रहा है, कोई कैसे हो रहा है ना। हाउ टू रिमेम्बर द फैक्टर वेरी करेक्टली, ठीक है। मैं अभी तुमको एक टेक्निक सिखाता हूँ। अच्छा मल्टीपल बुलाओ मेरे को कोई, या मिश्का टेल मी द मल्टीपल ऑफ 20। अच्छा ये आया था 1 2 4 5 10 एंड 20, करेक्ट है?
Yes.
फैक्टर खत्म हो गए सारे। इसमें और कोई फैक्टर है 20 के? शौर्य, शौर्य बेटा माइक एंड वीडियो ऑन कर।
नहीं है।
शौर्य माइक एंड वीडियो ऑन कर।
Sir, this is Sriramulu, okay, father of Dhanvishri. I think your Tom, it's too much Hindi, sir, here. Maybe you can convey in English.
Sorry?
It's too much English you are speaking, actually. So
that
we
is why I
don't-
ask you if you understand English or Hindi. Everybody says कि we understand both. I am okay to conduct in English. कोई problem
Maybe in English it's better because nowadays everyone knows English.
Yeah. No, that is okay. That is okay. It's okay. That is why I ask you first. Okay, now tell me, So their factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, clear? So there are limited number of factors. Correct? There are limited numbers of factors. Now multiple. Okay. Who wants to tell? Mishka, tell me. Multiple of 20.
Sir, 2, 4, 5.
I'm saying multiple, darling. Multiple. Chalo, multiple. Gupta. Hey, Adya Gupta, very good. Surname bhi dal diya. She put the surname
Sir,
also.
sir,
Very good.
40,
Yeah, Adya Gupta.
80, 60.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 380.
How many are there? I'll go to sleep.
Sir, unlimited. Sir,
Nobody will tell in between. Whenever I am asking questions, only that person who is true I'm talking to, that person only will answer. Clear? Yes, Adya Gupta, how many are there?
there are unlimited.
तो फिर तो ये बोलती जाएगी बेटा, when you keep on talking, keep on speaking, I'll go to sleep. Everybody will go to sleep by the time you finish. You will not be able to finish also, right? Because there is nothing called as highest number in the mathematics, right? So
Yeah.
factors are limited and multiple are unlimited, right? Uncountable.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now tell me, I ask you both factor and multiple of 20, correct?
So
I
there
ask you both the factor and multiple of 20.
4,
Clear?
5.
There is a background noise.
सर मेरे से
Vidhi, there is a background noise from your side.
सर मेरे से 1 मिनट ये मल्टीपल्स
Okay. Now
Sir,
those who
Mr.
join,
Shikha,
those
I
who
have
join,
another
those who
chance.
joined recently, okay. Keep your mic and video on. There is Garima.
4, 5.
Let's see.
Vidhi, there is a lot of background noise from your side. Vidhi. Garima Srivastava, keep your video and mic on. Okay. ठीक है चलो. So then you have factors are less than a number always and multiple are always greater than a number, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now keep the mic on, Garima, otherwise I'll keep you on the waiting room. You will not be able to attend the class. I want mic and video to be on. That is a mandatory requirement for everyone. I want to see who are you. Yes, very good. What is your name, beta? Keep your mic on. Keep your mic on.
My mic is on only.
Yes. How many are there?
There are
Beta, mic on karo. Garima, I can hear you.
Keep on talking. Keep on
I send you request.
You're the recording. Someone's playing the recording.
Vidhi, don't keep your mic on. You have a lot of background noise from your side. Vidhi. There is a lot of background noise. Either go and take from the silent zone or don't attend the class. Beta, you can unmute. Garima. I send a request to unmute. Unmute karo beta. I am sending a request to unmute. Because you will not be able to participate if you are muted. Yeah. If you tell something, I will not understand. I am sending you request to unmute. Chalo. Okay. Anyway, just chalo. Once you unmute, you are able to hear me, Garima? Are you able to hear me? Yes or no? Nod your head. Yes. Okay. Then it is okay. You can unmute yourself or rejoin one more time, right? Unmute yourself. There's something wrong with your device. Okay. Chalo. Clear? Okay. It is clear. So factors are always less than a number and countable, and multiple are always uncountable and infinite, correct? Always more than, right? So what I ask you question, is there a number for factor and multiple of 20 which is factor also and multiple also? Is no?
Yes.
Which one?
20.
20. So what is that? When I ask you, tell me one number which is also factor and a multiple of a number, then what is the answer?
The number itself.
Very good. The number itself. So any number will have. Now, how to remember? You say 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. That is not the right way to remember the factor. Factor is always mentioned in a format which is called as tree format, right? Or you can have it
Tree method.
any method, right? So do you agree? Then factor you receive by multiplying or dividing a number by some number, right?
Yes.
So value definitely you will have quotient and you will have a divisor. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So you will have one quotient and one divisor, correct?
Yes.
So when you have one, every number can divisible by 1. So 1, 20. Divisible by 2, yes, 2 and 10.
10.
4 and 5. How many factors are there? There are 6 factors. Okay, chalo. Anybody wants to take any other number? Chalo, I'll take 24. Okay. चलो आदिया देसाई.
Yes, sir.
टेल मी मेरे को नंबर क्या क्या है बेटा?
124, 212, 38, 46.
Very good. Correct. So when you get this number, again you come to this side, you have to stop. The factor ends there, right? चलो. Anybody wants to give any one number? कोई भी एक number दे दो. Once I get a number, if I write the number,
48.
stop.
48.
48. Any other number? If
22.
22. चलो 22. 1, 22.
2, 11.
There is a background noise. Lot of background noise. Okay. So how many factors are there?
4.
Clear? Okay. Any other number?
36.
No, any other number?
19.
No. You take some odd number, na?
27. 19. 27.
27. ठीक है. 1, 27.
सर 19 प्राइम नंबर है, क्या सकते सर?
Very good. अभी आता हूँ prime number बेटा, right? That is 4. Can you see this all the factors which I am taking? चलो I am taking one more. Say I am taking 35. चलो तो 35 होगा तो क्या होगा? 1, 35, 5, 7. Correct? So it is right. If you see all the factors which are number of count of the factors are always even, right? Yes, because when you multiply the number, okay, then only you will get the answer, right? Yes or no? The multiple is made by multiplying the two numbers, so it is going to be always even. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what I want, now what I want, no, there is somebody's background noise आ रहा है. एक मिनट, Dhanashree, I think. Okay, I am keeping the mute. If there is a background noise, keep yourself on mute. Jian, sorry, by mistake I muted you. Jian, unmute करो. Correct? Okay. Hi, Pankaj Khandelwal कौन है? इतना लेट आया? Pankaj? What is your name, beta?
Sir, I've joined through my laptop. It's Vidhi Khandelwal.
Who is that? नहीं, what is the child name?
Vidhi, sir.
अच्छा, विधि. Okay, ठीक है, good. Okay, चलो. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, so now everybody got this? Everybody understood? Now I want something which is called as number which has an odd number of factors. Odd number. This is even factors.
16.
16.
No, sir, 16.
हाँ 16 हो गया और
16.
60.
हाँ.
60 is not a fact. 60 में even आएगा बेटा. 60 I take here. 160. Then 60. Then 2. 30. 3. 20. 4. 15. 5. 12. 6. कितना हो गया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, right? It is even number. So I want any factor, any number which has odd count of factors. How it is? Odd count of factors. Shh. Background noise, man. Don't speak in middle. I'll keep everybody on mute. I don't want any background noise. No discussion internally. Jian. Jiansh.
16.
No, I don't want any background noise to be done. Parents, please don't help them. 16. What is the next one? Any other?
25.
25. Very good. Next, one more.
36.
Very good. One more.
38. 49. 49.
49. One more.
59.
59.
Plus 64.
64. One more.
81.
81. कौन बोल रहा है ये?
सर मैं कविश.
कविश. मैं क्या? मैं भी मैं हूँ. नाम बोलना चाहिए. कविश, right? Now what is something specific for these numbers? Can you tell me what are these numbers?
कि ये नंबर्स में नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होता है वो प्रोडक्ट है. फॉर एग्जांपल 4.
अरे एक मिनट. धीरे. Listen very simple. Hello. Speak little slower so everybody can understand. What is my question? Listen very carefully. Kavish, listen very carefully. What is my question is, what is something specific about these numbers so that you got an odd number of factors? What is something special about these numbers?
कि ये numbers.
English. These
numbers, when the same number is multiplied, the product is that. For example, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 20.
Bacha, मैंने what I say, what is specific common about this? These are called as? This is called as a square numbers.
Square numbers.
What is a square number? When you have a square number, the same number is multiplied. So when I take the factor of this, 1, 16, 2, 8, 4, 4. Then you take a factor of this, 1, 25, 5, 5. When I take a factor of this, 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, 6, 6. Correct? Now here also, 1, 49, 2, nahi hai. Okay. 7, 7. When I take this, what will happen? 1, 64, 2,
32, 4, 16, 8.
here, 1,
81, 3, 27, 5. 5 हो सकते हैं.
5.
7, 12, 9,
7, 12 the 50, 41. क्या कर रहा है?
12 नहीं, 9.
9. Correct? Now if you count the number, what will happen? Every time when you, there is a background noise again. Where is the background noise coming from?
सर मैंने सेम ही बोला. सेम नंबर मल्टीप्लाई वो प्रोडक्ट है.
Niva beta, keep your mic and video on. Your mic and video is off.
सर.
Yeah, so when I count this, what I'll count? When I count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this, I don't have to count because this is already counted 1. 4 already count ho gaya. So this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'll not count, right? So what is the number of factors? Here number of factors are 5. Here number of factors are 3. Here the number of factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here the number of factors are 3. Number of factors are 7. Correct. So these are all odd number of factors, odd count, right? Or when it is possible, when it is a perfect
Sir, I have one more.
square. Also,
Zero.
beta, it will be thousand of them, right? Hundreds and thousands, because there is nothing called as largest number in the mathematics. Clear?
Sir, 110. Infinite.
Sorry?
Because numbers are unlimited.
No, 110 is not a perfect square. Who told you 110 is a perfect square?
Sir, I didn't say.
110 perfect square नहीं है बेटा.
Sir, I didn't say.
नहीं आद्या ने बोला ना. Adya said, right? 110 is not a perfect square.
Sir,
Okay.
वो cube है.
Now everybody, factor multiple हो गया? Understood everything? Yes, very good. So now
Yes, sir.
tell me, how will I know some number is divisible by another number or not? I want to understand. Suppose if I give you any number, chalo, I will not make any specific my choice of number. Let's make a choice of your own, right? So I send you this on the group. Okay, I'm just removing this. Okay. Now I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Those who have not answered, I will ask them to answer. Very good. Chalo. Who has not spoke anything, right? Chalo. Pahel.
Yes, sir.
Pahel kar beta. What is the, tell me one digit, any one digit number. Which is you want?
5.
5. Very good. Chalo. Then, Sanaya,
Yes.
tell me any one digit number.
7.
7. Okay. Niva.
6.
Niva.
6.
6. Okay.
Okay.
Kavish.
Sir, where is spoke here?
Kavish.
3.
3. Okay. Then Gupta. Adya Gupta.
8.
8. Okay. And then comes the. Okay. Dhanashree.
9.
9. Very good. Now I want to check this number, which is divisible by, say, okay, one digit. I'll ask somebody else. Okay, chalo, I'll ask. Okay, Adya Raichura. Tell me which number you want to check for this number to be divisible or not.
6.
6. Okay, she wants to check whether divisible by 6, yes or no. Can you check? What do you do? How do you check this?
Sir, divisibility test.
Nah, you to.
Sir.
You have to teach.
Divisibility test.
Very good. So everybody knows what is divisibility test. Very nice. Chalo. So you will explain me.
Sir, I do not
There is a background noise. Please, parents, keep patience. Okay. What is divisibility test? Anybody can answer. Okay. Raise your hand. I'll ask one by one. Raise your hand. Very good. Very good. Priyansh, Adya Desai, anybody? I want to pick up any new student. What is divisibility test? Come on, everybody. See, there are 3 types of answers, right? Either you know, or you have doubt, or you don't know, right? But everybody has to raise the hand. I want everybody to willingly raise the hand. If you don't know, I'm still okay. You can say, sir, I don't know, which is perfectly okay with me because you come here to learn. I want everybody to participate in at raising the hand. Very good. Adya Raishra, Diva, Fatafat, Sean Sanaya, very nice, very nice. Jian, Adya, open. Jian, Niva. This is also attention. Pahel, your hand is not raised. Vidhi, your hand is not raised. Vidhi Khandelwal, sorry. Okay. Vidhi come on. Pahel, your hand is not raised. Pahel. Okay. Chalo. I'll ask Adya Raishura. Chalo, tell me what is divisibility test.
Sir, I don't know.
Very nice. Correct answer, right? Now lower your hand. Very good. Which is, see, you should be very good. You should be able to understand. If you don't know, Arey, hello. Not everybody. Only Adya Raishura will lower your hand. Everybody raise. Keep your hand raised. Unless your name game. Okay, chalo. Vidhi Khandelwal.
Sir, I forgot.
I forgot. Very good. Lower your hand. Very good. Okay. Dhanashri.
I don't know, sir.
Tell me.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Very good. Lower your hand. Okay. Niva Mehta.
Sir, what was the question?
Very good. What is the question? Sabbas. Question is, what is the divisibility test?
2400 debited. This is my
Niva, tell me what is the divisibility test?
first time, so I don't. Sir, so a number which is visible. No.
That is okay. If you don't know, fine. No problem. Chalo. Sanaya, what is the divisibility test?
I don't know.
I don't know. Very nice. Lower your hand. Mishka,
Yes, sir.
what is the divisibility test?
Sir, I'm not fully sure about divisibility.
Doesn't matter. Tell me whatever you know. Doesn't matter. Don't create a background. Just tell.
I'm not sure.
Not sure, but I want to try.
I don't know.
Sir,
Okay, don't know. That is okay. Okay. Then Mishka, Kavish.
sir, the test when we can check the number is exactly divisible by the
Which one?
dividend.
You will take math test, you will take English test, you will take blood test, you will take sports test, you will take physical test. What test you will take?
Divisible test.
The divisibility test I don't know. No? That is why I am asking.
Sir,
Chalo, Adya Gupta, tell me.
sir, there are a few rules. You have to add them on the number and then you can find.
Add to number. Oh,
No, like put like something.
very good. Chalo, very good. Chalo, welcome. Adya Desai.
Sir, divisibility test is a test in which we can check if the number is perfectly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, no problem. So how do I check? I ask number. Are you divisible? चलो मैं यहाँ पे पूछता था. ठीक है? I'll just check. Okay, you said check, right? तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ?
वही बोला.
अरे wait. रुक जा.
You need to
Wait.
apply rules.
See, those my student, they know ना, I am a dumb student. So मैं क्या करूँगा? She said कि check. So this 6 checks this number. Hello, are you divisible by me? Yes or no? Or I'll ask, are you divisible by 6? They don't answer. Right?
Apply the rules.
So rules, so what exactly you have to do? That is, what you want to do? I am waiting for one particular word. Okay, that nobody is able to give me. Okay. Ek minute. Next time. Kiyansh, tell me.
Sir, divisibility test divisibility test can be of 3, 6, 9, 10 and
अरे किसका होता नहीं है. I don't want. Okay. I say okay. Everybody has a heart. Everybody has a hand. Everybody has a mouth. Everybody has a teeth. Everybody can speak. Everybody has a lips. Everybody has eyes. So I can give different names, right? So divisibility test is for everything. I want what is divisibility. I don't know what is divisibility test. Chalo, again I am waiting. Aryan, bata.
The tests which are used to check the divisibility of a number.
तो आद्या तो वही बोली ना बेटा. तो क्या नंबर को पूछूं? Shall I ask the number? 1 minute. Let me understand. Can I ask number? अच्छा, are you divisible by 4? Are you divisible by 5? Are you divisible by 7? Will number reply me? What to check? With whom to check? Okay, every time I'll call up Adya, can you tell me whether this number is divisible by 5 or not? Whether this number is divisible by 7 or not? To whom to check with whom? Right? I want a specific reason, specific thing which you can do. I can always check, right? I divide the number. See, I can always divide the number with the given number and check whether it is divisible or not. अगर remainder 0 आ गया, correct है तो divisible है, yes or no? चलो, I give you complete hint. अब बताओ, Jian, tell me. Jian.
There will be no remainder.
हाँ तो no reminders. Should I divide and check? No reminders. Should I divide and check? No reminders. इतना clear hint देने के बाद मेरे जैसे डम आदमी को समझ में आएगा. If I give you such a big right now, okay, a dumb person like me also will understand what the divisibility means. You are all smart people. Definitely you are smarter than me, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, so that means you agree that I am dumb.
No, sir.
But you are smarter than me, right? Very good. So you should know all this, right? Chalo, come on. Anybody wants to answer? Quick. Riva?
Sir, me? Can I answer?
Sir, can I answer?
Riva. I'll give you. Those who want to answer, raise your hand. Don't speak. Raise your hand. I'll ask one by one. Come on.
A number is said to be divisible by another number if upon dividing no remainder is left.
That we know
then-
which is divisible. So do you think, one minute. Do you think I will divide all the number looking at here? Okay. Shall I divide this number by 6 and then I check whether divisible? That is where exactly divisible we know, right?
No, sir.
Now, Acha, now see, one minute. I'll ask one. I ask one more example before you answer. Wait.
Okay, so I have a request.
What?
Nishika,
Tell
can
me.
you kindly please write what is divisibility test?
Sorry?
on the note down?
What is the request, beta?
Can you type what is divisibility test so I
I
can
have not understood. Now you don't teach me only.
Can I
How will I know divisibility test? I am trying to learn, beta. I'll type. Don't worry. Okay? I'll type. No problem. Okay.
Thank
See, this is a very good. Mishka told me very clearly, sir, can you type this thing, right? I'll send you a document also, don't worry. On factors and multiples, I'll send you a document also. Don't worry. Okay, I'll send you the group. Chalo. Okay? So now what is it? So do you think every time I have to divide this? No. Okay. Who wants to answer now? One more. Who wants to answer? Niva ne answer. Niva, you want to answer? Riva has given. Okay.
Sir,
Sir, can I
the
say?
product.
Hey, wait a minute. Raise your hand. I'll ask one. Niva,
Yes, sir.
do you want to answer?
When the product is multiplied by the quotient, is known as
Product. How can product can be multiplied by the quotient? Divisor can be multiplied by the quotient, right? To get the product. How can product multiply by the quotient? No, that is not exactly way. Okay. Adya Gupta.
I forgot that I was going to say.
Very good. Chalo. Aryan.
Sir, can I give an example?
नहीं, definition के अंदर example ले जाएगा नहीं. No. You should be able to tell me without example, right? Then only it is.
Sir, can I just give an example, please?
No. How can you give the example? Without example, you should be able to explain, right?
Divisible number.
Yes, Niva, tell me.
Sir,
Wait. Now your chance is gone, Niva.
The product is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
No, that is we already done. Factor we have already done, right? A product can be divided by the divisor and this. I am asking, how do you know a number is divisible by some other number or not? That is what I want, right?
By dividing.
By dividing, फायदा क्या होगा? इतना बड़ा number, 6 digit, 7 digit number. If I keep on dividing, what is the
Sir, only
benefit?
last digit.
Nine.
Trick.
Now listen very clearly. सब fail हो गए. Everybody failed. Now it is my turn. Sorry, I can't waste more time.
Divisible number
Ah.
by
ठीक है, चलो. I'll put it right. ठीक है, चलो. I'm writing it here on my this thing. Okay, what is divisibility test, right? As Mishka requested, I am writing here, right? Mishka, happy? What is divisibility test? What is divisibility test? Okay. First thing what I wanted to do is, without doing actual division. Hello, everybody listen very carefully. I don't want any background noise.
Yes,
Without doing actual division by division of numbers, you can find a number can be divisible by another number or not. Correct? This is what you can do, right? That is called as divisible. So without dividing, I just write here, without
So can we note down?
dividing. Sorry?
Can we note down?
Yes. For you are only writing. I am writing for you only. Okay, without dividing, you will know whether the dividend is divisible by, or you can write perfectly divisible by divisor or no. Correct? Now, when you say perfectly divisible, it is given that it has to be correct now or not by applying some rules or technique. Correct? So whenever next time, okay, Aryan,
Yes, sir.
did I use any example here?
No, sir.
Are you able to understand what I'm trying to tell you? So this is this can be a divisibility test ka definition, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Parents, there's a background noise coming. Please be silent. I don't want any background noise to become.
सर मेरे को कुछ तो बोलना है
Correct? Sorry?
मेरे को
हाँ,
कुछ
सर,
तो
सही
बोलना है
है।
कविस
क्या?
Divisibility test is a shortcut method to check if the number is divisible by another
बेटा
number by if sorry this divisibility test is a shortcut method to check if a number is divisible by another number by leaving 0 as the remainder.
when you say Dhanashree, beta, it is coming a background noise from there is a background noise coming from your side. That is why I'm muting you. There's some echoing effect coming from your side. That is why I'm muting you, right? If you want to answer, you can raise your hand and then I'll unmute you, right? Kavish, I asked you already, right? The definition is already written. I already written the definition, right now.
मैंने दूसरा definition बोला.
Beta, meaning is same, right?
Yes.
The meaning is the same, right? So, and I give you everybody around 5 to 10 minutes to explain me what is the divisibility test, right? Parent, कियांश फादर बोल रहे हैं क्या पीछे से? ठीक है, प्लीज पेरेंट्स कीप साइलेंस, लेट देम लर्न ऑन देयर ओन. ठीक है,
So my work is complete.
correct. So now what is the divisibility test? You have to apply some number, okay, and some rule which is called a divisibility test, right? Now tell me, which are the easiest divisibility test?
Two, sir.
Which test is the easiest one?
Two.
Very good. Another one, okay.
2,
Huh?
5, 10.
2, 5, 10. Very good. Correct. 2,
Thank you.
5, and 10. Why? Why it is easiest?
Because
the unit digit.
Because you can decide by looking at only one digit.
Unit digits.
number.
Only one digit you can check. One last digit you have to check and you will find very easily. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I ask you the given number, Appa, can you say it is divisible by 6 or no? Or is the number divisible by 2?
No.
No. Why?
Because the last digit is 9. It is 9.
तो क्या होना चाहिए? What
9
should
is
be?
an odd number.
Sir,
Correct.
in divisibility,
Even number.
of 6, we can divide 6 with only 2 and 3.
No, 6 no, I am talking about 2, beta. I am talking about only
Because
2,
9
right?
is an odd number and 2 cannot be divisible by an odd number.
No, 2 is not divisible. Number is not divisible by 2 if it is an odd number, right? What is the divisibility test? The number has to be even, right?
Yes.
Now, how do you define the even number? The end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, correct?
Yes, sir.
Number ending with 2, 0, 4, 6 or 8, it is called as a even number, right?
Yes, sir.
So
And
it
the
is-
numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 is for odd number.
It is not 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. It is or. Do you have any number which is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, all 5 digits? Do you have any number like this?
No, sir.
So when you use, you tell what is the even number? A number which is ending with 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, right? Anyone should be okay to make it even number. Or odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, correct? You cannot have and. And का मतलब होता है all 5. Is there a number which is ending with all 5?
No.
You cannot have, right? Last में there has to be only one digit, correct?
Yes.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
What is the divisibility ratio of 5? What is the divisibility test of? What is the divisibility test of 5? Huh?
0 and 5. 0 and 5.
The last digit should be
0
8
and
with 0 and 5.
Not 0. अभी भी बताया मैंने. I just now told you 0 and 5 cannot be the answer. You cannot have the last digit. It is 0
That is your
or 5. Correct.
That is or only.
What is the divisibility ratio of 10?
Sir, only 0. Only 0.
What is 0? Where 0? I give you 4
Last
0.
unit is in one place.
तो बताओ last digit. You have to tell me the whole.
The 0 should be in the last. The one's place.
See, you have to tell me the whole thing, okay? Which you cannot tell me. You don't assume, sir, it has to be 0. 0 where? You have to specifically tell me the number
In the
has to be
In the one's place.
correct. So you have to tell me. Don't assume that I know everything, right? Don't assume that I know everything. You have to tell me very specifically what does it mean. Clear?
Final divisibility.
Chalo. Very good. You know divisibility test? Very nice. Those who know the divisibility test, I am going to open one worksheet for here. Right? Okay, chalo, I'll write the divisibility test here and I'll send the document also. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What you can see?
Sir, mail document.
हाँ, ठीक है.
No,
Can you see what it is?
sir.
No, sir, I cannot see.
Why?
Sir, because there are two little alphabets.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is divisibility rule, right? This is a small one. After that you have mid-level, then you have a bigger one, right? So first of all, you should know this divisibility test. Every number is divisible by 1, yes or no?
Yes.
And 1 is the factor of every number, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Last digit should be even 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Add all the digits. This is third number. How you should check the divisibility of 3. Add all the digits. Sum should be divisible by 3. Repeat this if needed, right? That means if I given a very big number to you, just keep on adding and check the sum is divisible by 3 or not. Suppose if I give you any number, let me give you any number, random number, right? I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am just writing any number. 3, 4, 6, 5, 2, 9, 1. Okay. Is it divisible by 3? How will you check? You want to total all this?
Yes. Sir, yes, it is
Okay.
divisible by 3.
Shall I show you the shortcut? Do you want to add all of this? Okay. 10, 13, 18, 20, 30.
It is divisible by 3.
कैसे आ गया? कैसे आ गया? What is the total?
It is divisible by 3.
What is the total I am asking?
30.
30, right? So 30 is divisible by 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is a number. You have to add this. Now I'll show you the shortcut. Do you want me to show the shortcut?
Yes. Yes, sir.
What is your objective? That you should not have something to be calculated, add karna. You may make a mistake, right? So whatever the 3, 6, 9, just cut them, right? Because they are divisible.
Shika, go to the washroom.
Yes, beta. And you can also cut any multiple or addition of 3, right? Suppose 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 4 plus 5, 9. Ho gaya, right? So all cut down. That means it is not divisible. It is divisible by 3, correct? I give you another number. Shall I give you another number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you tell me digit first. यहाँ पे कोई भी anything.
3, 8, 9,
3, 8, 7.
9,
6, 2, 1.
6, 5.
Okay, okay. Done. Okay. Now you tell me which one I should cut.
3 and 6.
3 and 6 cut.
3,
Right.
6.
Then
5.
7 and 2 also I can cut. 7 plus 2, 9, right?
5. 7 and 5.
7, 5 also I can cut. 7, 2 also I can cut, right? Now you can cut anything. No. What is the total?
Not visible.
13, right?
13.
13 is not divisible. It is not divisible. So this is shortcut. This will save your time because your answer should be by yes or no. Correct? It is divisible or not divisible. Correct, na?
Yes.
Yes. So either the number will be divisible by any other number or not divisible. Now to make the total, it makes little difficult. To save time, what you can do? You can cut all the multiple of 3 and 3. You can cut all the sum of the numbers which are multiple of 3. That also you can cut down, right? So you will left with the very minimum numbers which you can find very easily whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Correct? Eh? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, coming back to 4. What is that? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4 or not. Suppose if I ask you 3, 1, 6. Is it divisible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, if I have you 8, 1, 7, 6, 1. Is it divisible?
No.
No.
No, why? This is a whole number.
No.
Is it divisible, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Because you are considering only last 2 digits, right? If the last 2 digits is, if I keep on adding any numbers here, doesn't matter, right? Because we want to check only last 2 digits. Correct or no?
Yes.
Now listen very carefully. Now, who knows the 4 table?
Sir, Vithi.
First table.
Very good. 4 core table. Okay, chalo. Tell me if you have to take last 2 digit, which will be around 90 or it will go to 100, right? 100 becomes the lowest 3-digit number, correct? So tell me who knows the all multiple of 4 till 100? Anybody knows all the multiple of 4 till 100? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Chalo, I'll say 54. It is divisible, yes or no? Quick.
No.
No.
Why? How do you know?
Because sir,
Okay, 68. 68, yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Now tell me, if I want to write some number here, and last 2 digits, suppose 94. Is it divisible?
No.
सोचना पड़ता है ना? You have to think, right? Now, do you want to know the technique? Quick technique?
Yes.
Chalo. So tell me any number which is ending with 0, which comes in 4 table.
20.
Very good. 20.
60, 40,
30 कौन बोला?
20, 40,
20.
40, 60, 60, 40, 80, 60,
100.
100.
Correct. Bas. That's it. Hello. Wait.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
Beta, it is written here, right? It is done. Okay. Now, if I say, if what I ask you 94, it is time taking. What you should do? 80 minus karo. Minus 80, what do you get? 14. Is it divisible now?
No.
So, any multiple of 8.
मैंने वो ही किया.
Very nice. Any multiple of 8, any multiple of 4 from this number and get the smaller number. If it is divisible, then it is divisible. There is a quicker way to solve this, right? Now,
Yes.
here 5 we already done. We have done 2. We have done 3. We have done 4. We have done 5. 6 will come later on. We'll do 9. 3 and 9 are the same thing. Suppose if I have 8, 5, 3, 6, 4, 8, 9, 2, 8, 4, 7. Right? इतना बड़ा number, right? Total करने में it will be difficult to make a total, right?
No.
नहीं? चलो, I'll give you shortcut. I'll give you shortcut. What you should do?
30.
3 and 6 out. 5 and 4 out. 9. 9 out. Then 7 and 2 out, right? Correct? All the sum of this you should cut of 9 to reduce the number of multiples you do. Now what is that? 8, 8, 8 and 4. So 8 is a 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. Is it divisible by 9? No. So it is not divisible. Correct? So this way you can quickly do this by removing something digits which you don't have to add. Is it clear, yes or no?
Yes.
What I want you to do is you do very quickly yes or no, very fast, applying all the tricks. I don't want you to check your addition skill 4, 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8. Not required. What is your objective? Did they ask you sum for this? No. What is your objective? Your objective is to find the number is divisible by 9 or not. So you can use the tricks smart way to cut the numbers which are sum of 9s or multiple of 9 or sum is a multiple of 9. Just cut them and be happy. Clear? Yes or no? Alright, so you get very quickly this. Okay. Yes.
7 नहीं है.
Okay, 9 also done. नहीं, 7 नहीं है.
7 नहीं है.
अरे आगे है अभी बहुत सारा है. 7 नहीं है, 13 भी नहीं है. There is 20. There are certain easy ones. Let's learn the easy one first, right? 2, 3, 4, 5 done. 10 done. 10 also done. Now 8. We'll take 6. 6 क्या होता है? 6 is a 2 and 3. Correct? So a number which is multiple of 2 and 3. What is that? You understand what is meaning by
3.
a number which is divisible by 2 and 3 by both the numbers, then only it is divisible by 6. Yes or no?
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'll write here. Listen. I'll write here 2, 3 and 6, right? If number is divisible, suppose I'll give one example. Okay, you want to go for your friend's birthday party, right?
Yes.
Hello. Listen very carefully. I want to ask here, right? Now listen. अरे मेरा वीडियो कैसे बंद हो गया? चलो.
So your
Okay.
video was off for a long time.
अरे I don't know. Maybe I have connected. So you should tell me, sir, your video is off.
I thought you had some technical issue.
Chalo, any which is okay. If you want to go for your birthday party, listen. If you want to go for your birthday, any of your friend's birthday party, from whom you have to take a permission?
My mom and my dad.
Your mom and your dad, correct?
Yeah.
So what I'll do is here, I'll just open this. Okay. Let's go for a birthday party. Okay.
Okay.
This is, you'll say you, okay, mama and daddy, right? Now you want to go, yes. Okay, will you go? Okay, you want to go? Want? Yes, you want to go? Yes. You want to go, right? Yes, you want to go your friend birthday party, right? Obviously, anybody, I also want to go, right? But will you able to go? Let's check. Okay, Mama says, yes, beta, you should go. Your best friend. Papa says, no. Will you able to go? No. Very good. Mama says, no. You have exam. Daddy says, okay, beta, go. No problem. Will you able to go?
Yes.
Hey, yes. Yes. मम्मी को ओरल करेगा. You will oral मम्मी. बेटा, you will not get lunch or dinner anything.
उसके घर पे मिल जाए ना.
When mama says no, papa says no, will you able to go?
No.
If you go, you will not be able to enter the house again. No. Correct? If you buy this also, you go, door will be locked. No entry in the house again, right? Now, this is yes. This is yes. है ना? When papa says yes, mummy says yes, you can go yes, right? So there is only one condition. You can go to the birthday party when both says yes. Correct? Yes. So for 2 and 3 also it is same thing. You is 6. Mama is 2. Dad is 3. So you get, will it divisible? If this is the condition, when it is divisible 2 and 3, here says, Mama says, here it is all or, right? It is not work. Both have to be say yes, then only you can go to party. See here also for 6, it has to be divided by 2 also and with 3 also. Correct? Suppose if I give you any example, 3, 8, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4. Okay, I give you this number. Can you check it is divisible by 2? Very, very easy, right? With 2, it is yes, right? With 3, is it divisible? Let's check. क्या क्या 3, 6, 9 cut कर दे straight away. 8 and this is also cut. 6, yes, it is divisible by 3 also. Correct? Or? So when it is divisible by the, for 6 also it is divisible. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Is it absolutely clear? Now in a reverse way, if I say any number is divisible by multiple of any number, right? Now listen very carefully what I am telling you. If a number divisible by any multiple of the number, okay, for example, if a number is divisible by 9, right? Yes. Then it will be divisible by all factors of 9, correct? If his number is divisible by 15, yes, then it will be divisible by all factors of 15. That is 3 and 5, correct? Just check. Suppose if I give you a number which is say 75, is it divisible by 15? Yes.
Yes.
Correct? So it is 75 divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes.
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 You don't have to worry. When you check for 15, you don't have to worry about 3 and 5. It will be always divisible. Clear?
Sir,
Now,
I got
how many of you want a worksheet?
Adya, sir. Sir, me.
Let me show you the worksheet first. My worksheet are those who are not seen my worksheet. Okay, Adya and Mishka and
Sir, मैंने
Aryan have seen my
देखा है।
worksheet. Those who have not seen my worksheet, I'll show you the worksheet, right?
पर मैं नहीं करूँगा।
Okay. And I send you the worksheet on the group, right? So you can solve this and save it in PDF and send it to me back, right? Chalo, let me open this divisibility test. Just 2 minutes more, beta. Did you enjoy the class? Yes or no?
Yes.
Enjoyed very much?
Yes. I want to.
So who is going to send me? Who is going to send me the chocolate?
Adya.
Mishika. Okay, chalo. Very good. Buy a chocolate, eat yourself, send me a photo. Okay, buy yourself a chocolate because you are a good student.
Yes.
So you are rewarded for the chocolate. Okay, buy yourself. Mummy ko bolo, sir has given me chocolate treat. Right? Chalo. Now here. Okay. Can you see this? What you should do? Can you see the screen?
Oh, this worksheet.
Yes, this worksheet. Those who are already done, those who are my students, they have already done this worksheet. Okay? Clear? So now can you see here?
Yes.
Okay. Now what you need to do is, you need to put, can you read the question here? Can you read the question? What is given here? What is multiplication, divisibility of 2 to 10, add y or put y. Put y for yes and for no. Okay. Where you need to put? You need to put in yellow boxes, right? Yes or no?
Reva, stop adding that.
Sorry?
He was adding emojis.
What happened, Mishka?
He was distracting me with her emoji.
Okay, Hiren, I read my name, Hiren Desai. You should write your name. Date, you put this is 7th of December. Okay, and then you put the time. You put the timer and check how much time you are taking, right? Whether you take 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, now you want to put this number. Suppose we'll do it here. Okay. Who wants to do it? Jian?
Adya.
Pahel, you want to, and who wants to solve this? Raise your hand quickly. Who wants to raise that?
Nishika.
Mishika nahi. Those who are my student, I will not allow them because they have already solved this. They know how to solve them. Kavish. Chalo, Kavish. Okay, I'll give you. Kavish first. Tell me.
Sir, 2 नहीं है.
Okay.
Divisible.
Now, when you put 2, I'll give you a shortcut how to do it. When you put 2, no, keep all these multiple of 2 as n, right? Simple.
Okay.
Right? Because when it's not divisible by 2, any even number, it will not be divisible. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, simple one is, what is the simple one?
5 नहीं
5.
है. 5 नहीं है.
अब now 3 और 6 के लिए क्या करेगा? What you'll do?
क्या?
3 and 9 के लिए what you'll do?
Sir, I'm adding वाला technique.
No, I don't want anybody else to speak. Only Kavish.
Sir, cut वाला technique. तूने
Yes,
सिखाया.
so cut क्या? What all things you can cut?
9, all 9s.
Correct. All 9 cut. What is remaining?
7
So it
नहीं
is-
है तो 3 भी नहीं है और 9 भी नहीं है.
My God. जैसे सब पूरा करेक्ट कर दिया, what will get? You get a smiley here, right? That means all answer are correct. But one thing is very thing. If you put a space here, okay. If you put a space here, okay, you will get a wrong answer, right? Even if it answer looks right, but you cannot put the space also. You cannot put dot also. You cannot put any other. N की जगह पे no नहीं लिख सकता है, ठीक है? Still you will get wrong answer. Clear?
Okay.
So you have to put only N and only Y. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. चलो. Next, Kavish हो गया? हाथ नीचे. Okay. Adya, you want to try? चलो, I am giving you one. Okay, Adya, you can try this.
Sir, me.
Adya Desai.
हाँ sir.
जिसका हाथ ऊपर है ना, every those who wants to try quickly, I'll give you 3 pieces, 3 people chance. I'll give you 3 people chance. Just keep your hands up, quick.
Sir, yes.
क्या yes?
2.
हाँ तो पहले बोलो 2 yes. Yes क्या?
Yes.
Then take the easy one first. Check the 5,
No.
10.
No.
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 Very good. Now take 4.
4. Yes.
How did you check?
Sir, 76 divided by 4.
नहीं ना. You have to do 80 minus 76 or 76 minus 60, right?
Yes.
That way. You don't have to divide. अगर divide करते हैं फायदा क्या? What is the meaning, right? Okay, 3 के लिए what do you do?
6 का नंबर है.
Shh. What do you do on the 3?
No.
नहीं, what do you do?
I will 3 and 6 and 9.
नहीं बेटा, why? You just cut all the 3 and 6 and 9, right?
Yes.
You cut all the 3, you ignore them, so you got a 7. 7 is not divisible. When you not divisible by 3, it will not be divisible by 6, not divisible by 9 also, right? Clear? Hello. Dhanvi, Dhanvishri, Kiyansh, parents, please don't train them all right now. You have enough time. Your child will be with you. If they have doubt, let them ask me. Don't cross talk. Don't cross explain them, please. And that is why I asked them, everybody to keep the mic on, so at least I will know who is doing something like this, right? Parents, if they are not understanding, let them ask me in the class. Chalo, next. Mishka,
Yes, sir.
this one.
Okay. 2 yes.
2 yes. Then
4 yes.
first you have to check beta 2. If you want to make it very fast, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, right? Check the easy ones first. If you want to quickly do it, right?
Okay.
Then check with the 4 one, right? What is the total? 20, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, 20. 3,
No.
what do you do?
You write
Huh?
N.
What do you ignore? You ignore 9, right?
Yeah.
Now what do you do? Add 5, 8 and 2. What is the total? What is the total? If you ignore 9, you get 5, 8 and 2. What is the total?
15.
15. How did you do it? 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15. 15
Yeah.
comes in table?
15 comes in 3 times table?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So this is yes, right? Now 2 and 3, yes. So 6 is also yes, right? You can go to birthday party. 9, 15 comes in 9 table?
No.
Clear? 1 minute, huh? Just give me 1 minute. Clear? Everybody is clear? Okay. Who wants to try? Mishka and Jian. You want to try?
Yes.
Very good. Chalo, I'll give you some number. Okay, do it 28314. यहाँ पे जो number आ रहा है नीचे 28314. एक मिनट मुझे.
So what is the black
One
line?
minute.
You are also right.
Nah. The only universal language. Yes. 2 yes. Sir, math.
Tell me.
Universal language.
Yes? Sorry? Okay. Jian,
Yes.
do this.
2 yes.
Very good. Then,
4 yes.
why you have to take 4? You have to take first 5 and 10, right?
Yes, yes, my mistake.
You have to do what you can do fast. 4, how can be 4 yes? 4 is yes. How?
No.
No. Then, what do you do with 3 and 9? Cut the 3s, right?
Yes.
So what do you got? Cut 3, 2 plus 1, 3, or 8 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 1, 9, cut, 2 plus 4, 6. It is divisible?
No.
Huh? No?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then 9, what is the total? 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9, 18, yes. Right? And 6 is also yes. Clear?
Yes.
If you put by mistake some total, some, right? He said yes for this, right? क्या हो गया? If you get one wrong, any one wrong, you will get a red smiley. Clear? Yes or no? Chalo, I am sending you this. Okay. I'll just remove this one sample. Should I want to keep it or I'll just remove this? I'll keep one sample testing done, right? What you need to do? You need to finish this worksheet in 30 minutes. How many minutes?
30 minutes.
And you can easily do it if you use the technique. There are how many questions are there? You know that? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the question? Total 36 into 7, which is how many are there? 252 questions. How many?
2 questions.
And you have to finish in 30 minutes. Is it possible? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Correct? Chalo. Very nice. Chalo, I am sending you this worksheet and I am sending you some documents also. I'll just show you one document I'll send you. Let me send.
Spelling is wrong.
Sorry?
My mom's spelling is wrong.
Which spelling is wrong, beta?
Sir, Mishika's mom's spelling is wrong. Please go back. It's Suamya.
Where is
Not O.
Mishika? Where is
Aryan's
Mishika?
spelling is wrong.
It's not A.
Sir, Aryan's spelling is wrong.
अरे ठीक है छोड़ो तुम लोग
Sir,
यार
मेरा
कहाँ
नाम, please,
कहाँ
please,
कहाँ
sir,
मेरे को
मेरा
इंग्लिश
मम्मी
पढ़ाने
का
बैठ गए
नाम।
तुम लोग चलो आई एम सेंडिंग यू दिस चलो ओके द वर्कशीट आल्सो सेंड टू यू ठीक है आई विल सेंड यू सम ऑफ द फैक्टर एंड मल्टीपल का
Sir, can you send on Google Classroom?
Nah, Google Classroom में Google Classroom में already I have sent you already. Google Classroom I already sent ना बेटा. You already done this worksheet, right?
हाँ, sorry.
You wanted revision, that's why you came. अगर चाहिए तो अपना normal you ask.
सर लास्ट ईयर के भी वर्कशीट है मेरे पास.
हाँ है ना, फिर ठीक है. लास्ट ईयर की वर्कशीट खुलेगी नहीं बेटा अभी.
Daddy,
चलो anyway, just wait. Let me send you some of the documents. Okay. We'll see factor and multiples. Can you see factor?
Yes.
Factor and multiples. Can you see this? यहाँ पे. I'll just open this worksheet. Can you see this? Factor a number dividend. Okay, perfectly divisible by 0. Okay, this number is divisible, divisor, blah blah blah. ये आ गया, right? Factor का 20 लिया. I've taken the same example, right? Can you see this? I've given this factor का the same one I've told you, right? ठीक है? So I've taken this factor and multiple definition and I gave you all these examples, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll send you this on the group. Do you want me to send some document which is also written? It is not only factor, it has a lot of other things also, right?
Yes.
Okay, chalo, I'll try. Okay, let me check. I'll just send you this after the class because it is not, I think, allowing me to post it now.
Now
It is not
from my
right now.
room there is
Okay, I'll send you after this. Right, chalo. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Let me see. Okay, let me stop my screen sharing. Okay. Now, bachas, okay. Now it is almost 2 hours. Okay. Enjoyed the class? 2 hours? थक नहीं गए ना? Are you tired?
No.
Are you enjoyed the
No.
सर अभी
क्या
जस्ट
आया?
मैराथन करके आया हूँ 5
Okay.
किलोमीटर का.
हैं?
अभी जस्ट 5 किलोमीटर का मैराथन करके आया हूँ.
Oh, very nice, beta. Very good. Very nice. 5 kilometers is very nice. Okay. Chalo, everybody enjoyed? Not tired? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes.
Ask mommy, daddy to have good food. Okay, you can go. Any parents want to talk to me, they can remain. Rest all can say. I'm stopping the recording right now. Okay, tell me how much. Hello. Wait. Everybody come here. Everybody keep the mic on and video on. Now I'm going to ask Dhanashree. Beta, keep your mic on and video on. Okay, everybody. I'm not taking the thing. Vidhi. Okay. Now I want to understand. Okay. The moment I will understand, if I ask you, how was the class? You need to shout at the top of your voice. If you know that class is good, with a tone or with a shout, I'll come to know how good you are the class, right? Chalo. So are you ready? Vidhi Khandelwal, where are your mic is off, Vidhi? Keep the mic on. Vidhi kahan hai?
So she has gone to washroom.
Okay, no problem. ठीक है, चलो, ready, students? Okay, I'll ask you. How was the class? Can you tell me with a cheer? 1, 2, 3. I can't hear you. That means nobody enjoyed. Nobody enjoyed. You should shout. Everybody outside the second building also should know, right? If you really enjoyed. If you not enjoyed, you can keep it like this also. Okay, ready? Again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, nahi hai. Kisi ka only 4-5 students are enjoying, right? So next people, those who enjoyed, I taken a voice. Okay, I'll invite only those people, those who are enjoying. Those who are not enjoying, correct? Mishka shouted. Okay, Adya, I heard. Kiyansh, I heard. Okay. Pahel, I did not hear you telling me anything. You are so silent. Chalo. So those who want to parent, I'm stopping the recording. I'm stopping the recording right now. Okay. So parents want to join, they can join.